Good morning to all my awesome friends and followers. We're joining in with Denise Jordan today for a kitchen vignette challenge for fall. Denise Jordan is an awesome creator and she's always there for all of us. I hope you all go over and check and see what she did and what everyone else did that joined in on this challenge. This was such a beautifully put together challenge, always by Denise. She's an awesome person and we love her to pieces. I hope you go over and check out everything else she does on her channel. She's good at everything she does. Now what did Grandma do? I'm going to be starting with a clean slate. I came in here and took everything out of this area and cleaned it thoroughly. Now let's start working on our project. Starting with this tray, I don't know if you can see it or not. It says homemade on the tray. I thought it was so awesome looking, so farmhouse. This is going to be a farmhouse vignette that I'm putting together. I am using my new 2-tier tray that I just got last month on this vignette. It's amazing what a little bit of decor can change something. As you just saw, the tray and the 2-tier tray. Now look at it, all decorated up. Is it not beautiful? Only cost me $5. How could that be? The metal corrugated tray I had since last year. I bought the 2-tier tray a couple of weeks or a month ago. So that's where they came from. And so those would have been big expenses, but they've been used in past videos. And you know how it is. Once you've used it, we don't count it anymore. And then we had Hello Fall. I purchased this at the 99-cent store, so it was 99 cents. I purchased Farm Fresh pumpkin, but we've already used that in a past post, so we're not using the cost of that. The flowers have all been in past posts, so we're not counting that either. Now the pumpkins and the acorns we are counting, and that was $2. Now I'm not using everything that was in those, so when I used the pine, oh, I take it back, we did use the pine cones. These pine cones also came in that set, that too. So that was $2. So maybe we had less than what I thought. Let's count it up again. $1 for the Hello Fall, $2 for the pumpkins and acorns, and the pine cones came to $2, so that's $3. I guess we spent $3 putting this together. Hard to believe, I know. But everything I already had and I didn't have to purchase, or I've already reused in past posts. All the beautiful fall leaves are from past posts too. And we have a salt and pepper shakers here. I have 2 pairs of them. I have 2 of these right here. Are they not pretty? And I have a pair of these. But that wasn't something I purchased either. So, oh, and then we have these cute little acorns at the top. Are they not cute and precious? But I didn't buy them either. So, what did we say we had? $3 for this not tablescape. What is Grandma saying? Vignette. Well, I want to give a giant shout out to Denise Jordan, because this is what she asked us to do today. I thought it turned out pretty good. Leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think, or how I could have improved upon and made it even better. But I thought it looked pretty good without being too cluttered. And the best part of all is you can just pick up that tray and move it to another spot, because like Denise always says, this is very, very important area in the kitchen. We may have to use it for something else. Bye-bye for now, my awesome, awesome family and friends. Kisses and hugs from Grandma. Thank you so much for coming. And don't forget, my channel is designed for adults interested in gardening, home decor, cleaning, cooking, DIY projects. Sometimes we even go on outings. Can you believe that? We actually went on a couple hiking trips this summer. Grandma's always coming up with something new on her channel. Don't forget to come back and check it out. If you're not already following, think about it. You might enjoy. There's always something interesting to see. Bye-bye for now, all my awesome friends and family. Kisses and hugs if you made it to the very end. And as you could see, this was a theme of fall and pumpkins. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you go over and check out all the other awesome creators that joined in on this beautiful challenge that Denise Jordan put up for us to join in on. She's an awesome creator. Please go over and check out her channel if you're not already following her, and please don't forget, check out all the other creators that joined in on this. Don't forget, Grandma's channel is designed for adults interested in home decor, cooking, cleaning, gardening, DIY projects, or anything else she comes up with. Bye-bye for now. Hugs and kisses from Grandma.